Good evening, guys, and this is Nash, and you're watching Type Tech. And today I have something little different. It's not really tech related, but if you watch my previous episode, go check it out. I have received my Nandroid and I want to open with you guys. I'm so excited to open this, but before we open the main event, I also had ordered the Kotoko Iwanaga pop-up figurine also. And if you want to know how much that I bought this is 36 USD from the website called JList, and it has been quite some time. I had ordered this since I believe somewhere November or so, but this is going to be quite a quick unboxing, and I know this is not tech related, so if you're not going to watch it, you can just click away. But I want to open this, so let's go. Okay, so if you guys want to know who is this Kotoko Iwanaga, she is from the show called Inspector or Swing Spectra. I show the name it right there. Or also, if you know, the Japanese version name is Kyoko Suri. Yeah, I just like her character from being quite feisty and also quite quick-witted, to able to hunt down spirits that is lurking around to protect human from interacting with them. So it's quite an interesting show. So if you want to watch, you can always watch it on, like, I'm not sure what you're watching this in, what website you're watching these days, like maybe like Crunchyroll or Funimation. You should find at least one of them. I can't remember where did I watch it. So there we go. Ooh, okay. Alright. So this is my first time buying online, because usually I will go to my local retail store, but due to the pandemic ongoing, we can't really go out, and this is my first time trying the website from JList. So yeah, if you like to watch more on this kind of unboxing, just tell me. Well, if you like what you're watching, do hit the like button, and also tell me in the comment below what type of figurines you would like to see. Is it like a normal figurine like this type, the pop-up, which is the quite cheap, or you want something something more cuter, like the chibi version, like the Nandroid I have right now. And of course, please don't tell me you want the more expensive one, the like over 100 over type of but I mean 100 plus over figurine, which I would never able to buy, not be able to purchase. So as you can see, this is a very simple pop-up figurine, and I must say I like the details. Okay, the pantsu is good. And yeah, there you can see here she has the, let me adjust. Okay, yeah, has the belt here, where this is where spoiler alert, like not really a spoiler, but yeah, she don't have a actual leg. Like, she has only one leg real, and the other one is prosthetic. And I like the details of the shoe as well, the shoelace. For $36 USD, I quite fancy it, and unfortunately this version doesn't have the cane that she always walk around with. So yeah, it's as simple as that. So the cap, I don't think it can come off. Let me see. Oh, that look. Yep, you can see. No. Yeah, as you can see there, you can see a ribbon. The hair is fairly well designed. I'm pretty sure I can just pop her head off, but no, not really. You can see you can even see the collarbone and a button, and yeah, and just yep, nothing much to say. Alright, so we will just put it here, or I just just put here. So now we move on to the next one, which is the main one, which is called the W from Ark Knights. If you all don't know what is Ark Knights is a tower defense game, which is basically, to summarize it, it is tower defense with waifus. Or if you are into more Hans Bondo, also have. Yeah, and this is one of the character. She is like more of a I won't say a villain, but she is certainly not one of the good guys. She is like she is a mercenary, basically. And I just like how interesting she is in the game. And she is part of the limited character if you decided to pull for her in gacha. Okay. What's this? Okay, this is the Good Smile company. Yeah, so this is the Nandroid version, from the Good Smile company. And here we can see there's a lot of stuff to open. Alright, so first and foremost, okay. So if you want to know how much I bought this is $49.50 USD, and also if you are considering with the shipping with these two, it's about 30 USD, like 26 to be more precise. Yeah, and yeah, I love her design. And of course, since this is an Android, we have multiple faces. As you can see, this is a psycho version, the psychotic version, and she has the smiley face, which is so cute, and this is her neutral face. So as usual, there's also, other than you can change her arm, you can change her fingertips, and yeah, she has a different accessory, just like a gun, which is actually fairly detailed if you can see. Yeah, is it focus? Nope. Okay, there you can see it's fairly quite detailed. Yeah, this is I believe this is a grenade. I remember it's a grenade launcher, not a rifle. Well, this is a rifle. Yep. Yeah. This is her rifle. This is her rifle, and that's her grenade launcher. And for what's her ability, she is a mercenary that has guns, and she loves explosive. Hence, you can see here she has the C4 detonator. And put it here. Okay. Inside here, there's actually more stuff than it's shown. Yeah. So other than the arm, the weapon, and also the faces. Yep, okay, these are the faces. Inside here, it seems like I also can change the her legs as well. Let me see what is the features. Okay, as you can see, this is the different expression you can make. The psychotic version where she start to blast everything. The more sadistic face where she will just start to kill everyone. And also, yeah, you can change her leg to twirl more. And yeah, you also can have her hold a knife, or you can have her both. So for now, we don't do anything fancy. Just keep it as a default version. And you can see, oh, okay, it's a individual. Okay, and this is not sure what is this, but all we need is this, and this, the rest can keep. Yep, so if you want to change the head, can always do the wiggle the head first. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Okay, here. Oh, okay, there. So this is one of the plastic can take out. So if you want to change the face, as easy as that, just pop up and just take another face, just put it in, just like that, and then you just cover it up. And yeah, if you want her head to rotate more, you can pluck out here, there. Oops, okay. Then her neck, all the plastic can take out, and apparently even her hip also can change. Nice. Yep. So yeah, she is a very interesting character. Yep, hip also okay, take out, and lastly her legs. Okay, there you go. Alright, plastic is out. So now I'm going to put the bits and pieces back, and I will show you overall how it looks like, and I will catch you all later. Alright, so I have done the fixing of DW, and I must say it's quite beautiful, man. Quite intricate design, as especially like her belt here is quite springy. Even her tail here can actually adjust a bit, and you can feel the hair here is actually quite soft, which is quite interesting. I like the design. And yeah, I changed her arm so that she is holding a detonator. Yeah, she has that cat mouth, the W face. I will take a picture of it and I will try to show how it looks like. But that is a very quick unboxing, and I will show a video on how it looks like in 360 motion, in 360 view lah, basically. So I hope you all enjoyed that, and this is Nash, and I'll catch you all next time. See ya.
Took a swing at a wrecking ball and I prayed for my downfall, and I found a way to reconcile, 'cause in my heart it's not worthwhile. It's a bloody battlefield where some go down, others heal. In the end it's all the same. All you can do is play the game. Oh, do we say goodbye? Refuse to question why. I'm sad to say I'm sorry, so lie, pretend that you're okay, swear that you will stay, keep trying for one day. I'm sick of all these lies, don't care if I kept spitting at my feet and forced me down a dead-end street when all I had went up in flames, burning only dark remains. I cover up every part of my skin, oh, 'cause I don't like the person within, oh. I know I'm the one to blame. All I can do is take the shame, oh. Do we say goodbye? Refuse to question